As remote work opportunities increase and connectivity becomes instantaneous, people are spending more and more time at home. The traditional notion of a third space bridging the gap between home and work is diminishing, and people face challenges in discovering locations that cater to their unique needs. Relying solely on 1 to 5-star reviews concerning the quality of food, for instance, does not capture the personalized and unique experiences customers might have.
Introducing Third Space, an application designed to assist users in discovering nearby spaces that align with their current mood, while also accommodating a range of accessibility and fostering inclusivity.
Upon creating an account, or if you already have one with Google authorization, you're ready to explore nearby locations that best match your current mood based on user-created third spaces and tags. This is the dashboard. The dashboard serves as a hub for users to discover locations nearby, receive mood-specific recommendations, and view the spaces they've previously saved.
The navigation bar allows users to set their location, choose their current mood, or filter recommendations using our advanced search form. The navigation bar also houses links to the dashboard, privacy and security, creating a third space, logging out, or a form to contact us, as well as a search bar for users to search for spaces by name.
When the user visits the Third Space show page, they're taken to a page with the Yelp-generated data as well as the user input. Tags can be modified as well as added, and the top mood of that location is determined by the number of votes. A user can go over other reviews for extra reassurance that this third space matches the necessary parameters. Been there? Create your own tags and write a review.
The front-end service of our application houses the user interface, presenting information retrieved from the back-end service. With the exception of user login details, current mood, and search locations, all data is stored in the back-end PostgreSQL database. The back-end makes API calls to the Yelp API to receive location data and reviews, and blends it with the data received from users on the mood and accessibility of a space to create a third space. Our services are developed using the Rails framework using Ruby, JavaScript, Bootstrap, CSS, and HTML for logic and styling. Authentication, authorization, and password reset functionalities are integrated with the help of SendGrid and Google OAuth 2. We've chosen DigitalOcean as our hosting provider.
In building our application, we use an agile workflow approach. We started with wireframes for our endpoints, which we continuously refined for better clarity, simplicity, as well as the appeal for the user. This included features like adjusting form inputs when making our app mobile-friendly or limiting search clutter on the dashboard.
Third Space relies heavily on user input. In the future, we would like to make Third Space a more social atmosphere. Ideally, users would be able to see each other's profiles and share spaces that were important to them. In addition, we would like to add the ability to upload a picture when writing a review. We'd also like to incorporate business default images. In the dashboard, we don't currently have pictures of the establishments from the outside. Finally, we want to improve functionality by using a search radius over map coordinates.
Bootstrap has incredible functionality and is very easily implemented. However, it did not always work well with some of the JavaScript implementations. For example, we ran into difficulty rendering dynamic document object models, such as clickable stars, when writing a review. We also preferred business default images from Google Places API, which were a better representation of third space values. Some of those parameters would have required GraphQL, which unfortunately, due to our project timeline, we were restricted from exploring.
Communication is king, queen, and everything in between. During daily stand-ups, we discussed how our project was adhering to our MVP and goals for our sprints. Each developer walked through their most recent accomplishments and goals for the day. That, coupled with our organized use of GitHub projects and Miro board, allowed us to brainstorm and compartmentalize tasks and functions, all while adhering to the defined MVP.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you get up and get out with the help of Third Space.